Segigo on the beat.
Drives me. What think? I'm shutting down. See, write the questions first. I'm shy. The song, first of all, drives the ideas. I like to understand what the song means, and I like to know the intent of the artist. So that helps me know how to build the sound from ground. Alright, we're Masterpiece Studios, and I'm the lead producer of Masterpiece Studios. We have some other engineers. We have Daniel, we have Wally, who work with me too. It's a creative environment where we interpret your sound and, most importantly, try our best to interpret your unspoken mind, to bring out the best in you through your music. This place is your one-stop solution to your music and projects.